So we've got 2 Tom Ford palettes, and there must be a third one in there. I did pick up all 3 palettes because, like you, I thought they all looked really similar. So I thought we could compare them and really see what the differences are. Let's open this first just because it's first in the lineup. This is Smoky Quartz. There is a pouch in there, just got stuck in there. It's like a microfiber type of fabric for the fabric pouch. Oh, that's beautiful. This looks prettier in person. Let me just take the plastic off. Now this one looks prettier in person. It really is difficult to see what these look like in the photos. I don't know why they make it so unclear, but this is really beautiful and has more of like a salmony tone in these 2 shades here than the image. So I'm really excited about that because I love those shades. According to Sephora's site, this is a Smoky Quartz palette. A neutral quad in all matte finishes of neutral beige, dusty nude, mid-tone terracotta, and a deep brown. It looks much more like that description in real life than online. I'm looking at it online and it is too cool toned online compared to the way it looks right here. Next up, we have Rose Topaz. Same fabric packaging. Okay, and that is also pretty and doesn't look the same as the other one because, again, online, they look the same. Rose Topaz, as per the Sephora site, says, neutral quad with a mixture of matte and shimmer shades in soft nude, frosted beige, silver sparkle, and charcoal. And that charcoal has some warmth to it. It's not a cool gray tone, definitely has some warmth to it. Lovely shades though. So let me show you those side by side because they look very different. So you can see there that they are not the same. Then let's open the third one. And this one is Tiger Eye. This is also really quite pretty. I like all of the colors here. This is Tiger Eye, a warm quad with a mixture of matte and shimmer shades in warm champagne, burnt coral, caramel, and a deep reddish brown. So I'll show you all of them together. Here they are side by side. You can see maybe the 2 on the end look more similar. The middle one definitely looks like it has cooler tones to it. So let's put those side by side. Smoky Quartz is on the left, and then we have Tiger Eye on the right. We'll go ahead and swatch Smoky Quartz first. And I have to admit, this is the one I'm the most curious about. This is what it looks like. It's got that, kind of reminds me of how those Suit Cube blushes looked when I swatched them. It was like powdery on the top and then creamy underneath. There's nothing powdery for it to have fallout because it's not a powdery formula. So these are all mattes, but there's a bit of a glow just because of the texture itself. Next up, let's swatch Rose Topaz. Similar type of results when you swatch them. It just disrupts that powdery part on the top. So the first one was all mattes. This one though has that lovely satiny shade in the upper right hand corner. Lovely gentle glow on that. And then the lower left hand corner has more of a metallic almost kind of finish. This looks like it has more shimmer than the other ones. So let's take a look. And this last one has quite shimmery shades. So you can see 3 out of 4 of them. Let's see if they are the same type though of shimmer. And those are really beautiful. I'm not a huge metallic eyeshadow fan, although I wouldn't call those completely metallics. They definitely have a glow to them though, more than a satin, but not quite a metallic, at least on this swatch here. And you can see it's not nearly as shimmery as that lower left-hand corner in the second palette that I swatched. But let's take a look at them all together. If you recently saw the new Smoky blushes that I featured, these appear very similar after swatching. Just like the Smoky blushes did, you could see evidence of swatching just like that. And here they are side by side, and as similar as they appear in their pans online, they are quite distinct from each other, especially when swatched like this. I do want to show you how these look after they're swatched because you can see the formula is different than a powder formula. It says here, infused with a pigment technology that combines lush emollients and mimics the structure of skin's ceramides. Each color creme along where eyeshadows move with the skin for a crease and flake resistant finish and high impact intensity. So that's what they look like once they're swatched. So this is not a cream, like a true cream product. It's a powder cream product. But I do have a couple of items from Chanel and CHANTECAILLE that I also wanted to unbox with you. We also have a couple of fun PR items I thought we could open here. Oh, and we have here the Discovery Set. So let's take a look. In case you always wanted to try out CHANTECAILLE fragrances, there is now a Discovery collection. So thank you so much to CHANTECAILLE for sending this. You can see each fragrance here with the name and the notes across the top. I already have Oud Fumé, Vetiver, Vetiver Cedra, and Darby Rose is the one I have my eye on. So I'm glad I have this because I want to try it out just a little bit more, and then I can try out the other fragrances as well. And this Discovery Set contains all of their most beloved fragrance formulas and scents near and dear to Sylvie's heart. Huge thank you to CHANTECAILLE for sending this over. Then this one is from Chanel. So this is a gift that landed on my doorstep. And it says, wishing you a joyous holiday season and sparkling new year. And this is from my friends at the Palisades Village. So it comes with this CC on the top. Then we have this lovely box, which looks like this. Oh, wow! That's gorgeous. I love that. That's so pretty. Let's take it out. It's a snow globe. That's beautiful. I'm not a snow globe collector or anything like that. In fact, I don't think I've ever had a snow globe before, but that is gorgeous. It's got a Chanel No. 5 bottle inside, and then little Chanel shopping bags and little gifts. How cute is that? That is so sweet. So let's see. And then it says Chanel on the front. How lovely. Thank you so very much for this. I love it. So let me know what order you would like me to film these in. I'll do one look at a time. I already know which one I'd like to start with, but let me know the order you'd like to see them, because then I'll film them in that order. So make sure to tune into the next video because you're going to see one of these in action. And then of course you'll see the other two as well at some point, but I'm gonna film one of those right now. So look for that actually tomorrow morning. But that's it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.